Hello everyone, let's dive into the Vetroo AL900 ATX PC case. This case is making waves, especially for those eyeing the new RTX 50 and RX 9000 series GPUs. The first thing that grabs your attention is the 270 degrees full-view tempered glass design. It's not just a window, it's a panoramic showcase for your components. RGB fans will absolutely shine in this chassis. Vetroo has introduced a new interior design, which they call RTX. This is all about hidden connectors and smart cable management. It aims to make building and maintaining your PC cleaner and easier. Space is definitely not an issue with the AL900. It supports up to a 360mm liquid cooling radiator at the top, and you can pack in up to 10 by 120mm fans. Motherboard compatibility is broad, covering ATX, MATX, and RTX form factors. For the graphics card, you have a generous 410mm of clearance, and the PSU can be up to 200mm long. This case is future-proofed for the beefiest hardware. The all-white aesthetic is clean and modern. The tempered glass is high quality, and the overall build feels solid. The pre-installed ARGB fans are a nice touch, adding immediate visual flair. The inclusion of a Type-C port on the front panel is a welcome addition for modern connectivity. The Vetroo AL900 seems to strike a balance between aesthetics, functionality, and future-proofing. If you're planning a new build, especially with the latest GPUs, this case is worth a serious look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.